where quality meets excellence. With nearly a decade of excellence, MIG has built a solid reputation in Christchurch. We proudly operate from two convenient locations, Morehouse Avenue and Lincoln Road, ensuring easy access to our exceptional services. Here, we offer a wide selection of vehicles, including electric, hybrid, petrol, and diesel cars, all tailored to meet your needs. Our strong partnerships with leading international automotive companies give us direct access to top quality resources, allowing us to deliver the best vehicles on the market. Our facilities feature our own dedicated panel and paint workshop, delivering expert auto body repair and recondition jobs, including insurance jobs. In addition, we have a very own fully qualified mechanic workshop, ensuring complete support throughout your entire vehicle use experience. We add value with every vehicle purchase. Enjoy peace of mind with our 36-month mechanical warranty on all vehicles and a 12-month warranty on diesel and European models. We also offer customized loan services to ensure you get the best deal. With a knowledgeable and experienced team, MIG is here to help you find the perfect vehicle. Whether you're buying your first car or upgrading your current vehicle, choosing MIG means choosing quality and reliability.